Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please do me a favor, like, share and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I received a question. Someone wants to know how to connect TV and laptop together using HDMI cable. This is HDMI cable. You need 4 things to do this. You need your remote control for your TV. You need at least 6 meter HDMI cable. Obviously you need your laptop and TV. The TV I'm using is LG TV. You can do this with any TV, smart TV, any TV, as far as that TV got HDMI port. So basically what you need to do is from the back of your TV, go to HDMI port. You have HDMI 1 in or HDMI 2 ER. So I want us to use HDMI 1 in port. So put the cable inside it, okay, and the cable is in. Now the next thing to do is you need to put the other end of the cable. Okay, so switch the TV on, and now it's showing us BBC 1 and it's showing us no signal. Okay, you can see it's showing us no signal. Now take this end of the cable to your TV port, HDMI in. Okay, so go to HDMI, put the cable inside it, and it's showing us HDMI 1 now available. Okay, now the next thing to do is you need to use your TV remote control. Go to, and once you do, you can see we have no signal here, and what you want to do is for us to see this laptop displaying here. Go to your TV input, so select the input, okay, and when you select the input, then you need to look from the button, okay, or anywhere in your TV screen to look for the input. Once you select the input, then you need to use the side button to go to PC HDMI and select on it, enter, and now you can see the TV and the laptop are displaying together. The information on the TV, whatever is showing on the laptop is also what is showing on the TV. Now to operate this, what you need to do is you need to use the mouse, okay, to select from the TV screen, not laptop. So if you are using the mouse, you need to select the information you want to is from the TV screen, okay. And when you select the information, then the next thing to do is, let's say if you select vinyl TV, okay, now if you want to go to YouTube channel, then you select YouTube, for instance. Okay, this is YouTube. Now the other thing is, if you want to select any particular channel, okay, I want to type, so type vinyl service. So use your laptop to type the information vinyl service, then use the mouse to select it from the TV screen. This is the information. So this is exactly the information here that is showing us now. Vinyl service is also what is showing us on the TV. So you can watch any particular video you want. You can do anything. You just need to select the information. So okay, just need to select the information from the TV. So type it on your laptop keyboard, type that channel you are looking for, any information at all. You can also go to Google. If you want to go to Google, you just need to type it, go to Google, okay, then select Google. This is good for someone that is teaching, okay, maybe where you don't have internet or anywhere, or where you don't have projector. It don't have to cost you much. Only what you need to do is get the cable. At least your student or somebody else will be able to see exactly what you are trying to demonstrate. Okay, then you can see Google. Now any information you want to know, can say, what is the weather? What is the weather in the US today? Okay, then you select. It will show you the information. Okay, you can see the weather in the US, and this information will display on your laptop screen. The same thing is also displaying on your laptop. It will also display on the TV and their laptop at the same time. This will be really good and beneficial for teachers or for students or anyone that want to show his work to people, or anyone that want to give a presentation, or teachers, lecturers, and government officials. So you can link this up just using a long and decent HDMI cable and hook it up together. Then go to your TV and select the input, move it from live TV to PC, depending on particular port you are using, PC1 or HDMI 1 or HDMI 2. Okay, thank you very much indeed. I hope this helped you. Thank you. If you like this, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.